Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's going to be a voiceover since I'm running late to an event. So if you want to see me go from this look to this look using some oldies but goodies, just keep on watching. The first thing I'm going to go in with is the Origins Pure Perfecting Cooling Primer with Willow Herb. And guys, I love this primer so much. It leaves my foundation so flawless and just gives it a lasting wear. Like, it doesn't crease or anything like that. It just gives it a beautiful finish and you won't regret it. Go out and buy it if you haven't done so. For foundation today, I'm going with NARS Deauville, and this foundation is medium to full coverage. It gives you a natural rated long wear finish, and even though this foundation is buildable, it also feels lightweight on the skin. And I'm obsessed with this foundation, and it's definitely one of my current favorites. Going off camera now to get this hair tame and my eyebrows filled in. Be right back. For my transition shade, I'm digging into my Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills and picking up that color Orange Soda. And with the blending brush, I'm going to sweep that across my crease. Now to pick up some oldie but goodies, I'm going into my MAC palette and I'm picking up that shade Guacamole, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. For concealer today, I'm going to go in with Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer. And for this look, I'm going to go in with two different shades. The first shade that I'll be using is Light Medium Honey, and the second shade will be Light Medium. And I just blend the two together using a beauty blender. To set my concealer, I like to go in with Laura Mercier's translucent powder, and I'm not a big fan of baking. I just like to press the powder onto the concealer and also sweep it across my T-zone. For mascara, I'm going to go in with Benefit's Bad Gal Bang. I love this mascara because the wand allows me to grab the little tiny lashes that I have in the corner of my eyes and makes it look so full, especially since I'm not wearing any falsies today. This waterproof liquid eyeliner from Stila Cosmetics has to be my ultimate favorite eyeliner of all times. I don't think I could switch to any other liner because I'm going to feel like I'm cheating on it. But I just love the way it applies. It gives me a sharp line every single time. I'm going to go back into the MAC palette and I'm going to pick up the shade Lucky Green and I'm going to apply it to my lower lash line. For my outer crease, I'm going to go back into the MAC palette and I'm going to pick up shade Swimming. To contour, I'm using Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil. When I'm contouring, I like to use an angle brush. This brush actually is from the Treasure Tool set by Tarte. I like to dip back into the product and use the bottom of the brush and just define my cheekbones even more. For highlight, I'm going to go in with Jouer Cosmetics using a fan brush. And I'm going to sweep that across my cheekbones, my nose, my brow bone, and my inner tear duct. For blush, I'm sorry, I cannot remember the name of this blush because the name had rubbed off, but I know it's from MAC and it's just a light pink shade and it has some shimmer into it. To complete this look, I'm going in with Dose of Colors Undressed. Here is the final look, guys. I really hope you enjoy this makeup tutorial. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.